One for the money, two for the show. Three to get ready now, go cat, go but don't step on my blue suede shoe. Do anything for my blue suede shoe. You knock me down, spitting my face, slandering my name all over the place. Do anything that you wanna do. Lay off and chew. Step on my blue suede shoe. You can do anything to help my blue suede shoe. Oh, look out. You can burn my house, steal my car, bring my liquor from an old fruit jar. Do anything that you wanna do. Honey, get off of them shoes. Don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything to hold my blue suede shoes. Yeah, blue suede shoes, blue suede shoes. Oh, baby, you know the blue ones. Blue suede shoes. You do anything for my blue suede shoes. Oh, keep it down low. One for the money, two for the shoe. Need to get ready now, go cat, go on you. Step on my blue suede shoe. Do anything for my blue suede shoe.
Hey, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner, brought to you by Bob Smith Toyota. How hot is it today, Paul? Is it over 100 again?
I don't know. I was in an air-conditioned place doing a gig right before I got here, and it was lovely.
You lucky dog. I was here setting up the show.
I'll tell you how hot it was. I saw a dog chasing a cat and they were walking.
Yes, I heard that story. That's a good one. So, yeah, Bob Smith Toyota, 100 and, I think it's about 107 last time I checked.
Okay.
And Gary, good song, good opener. Palmer, well, you missed last week, but you're here this week. How you doing? Good. Everything is great. Paul, you're not wearing a hat, and I don't blame you.
I could put one on.
No, no, please. Stop.
Yeah. No, I'm taking it easy. I got the short sleeved shirt. Like you, I got the tennis shoes.
Yeah, well,
Today.
well, last week he wore a short sleeve shirt. We don't usually do that around here. We dress up a little bit. And I walked in and I was all dressed and I was dying. And I said, you know, I like that this time of year. So I wore mine today.
Yeah.
And I got that from you. So
Good,
it's a
good thinking. Gary,
Anyway.
you can wear a short sleeve shirt next week.
Yes, it's your turn.
I think they're, where I come from, cowboys don't do that.
They don't wear
That's-
They don't, yeah.
There's other people that do
Yeah.
that, but they're not cowboys.
You know, I have cowboy snaps on this shirt. So do you.
no, you
Conrad.
know, no, you know that.
I
that
think
was
that
funny.
qualifies it as a cowboy shirt.
I thought that one of my shirts there was snaps, but they were actually buttons.
Yeah, I've done that before, going home.
Yeah.
grabbed it. Oh, well. Susie, get the needle out and the thread. You got to put some buttons on my shirt. Anyway, we got Kim at the controls, and Dan Hugott's here. He's got all his fancy equipment set up. And,
Hi,
and we
Kim.
have a special kind of a surprise guest artist this week.
I love that.
And her name is Susanna Brown.
I'm excited.
And I'm going to tell you how I met this young lady. Her husband came into my shop a few months ago, and I did a little repair job for him. And somehow it didn't work out right, and he come back this week. And so we repaired it again, and hopefully we got it this time. It's kind of an odd thing, but we tried. And it turns out she was with him, and she said, oh, I sing country music. In fact, he actually told me, my wife sings. I said, well, you know, we do this show. Tell her to come sing.
Here we are.
And here she is.
I love it.
I love it. It's just off the cuff. And if she sings as good as she looks, it's going to be good.
It's going to be good.
She looks like a pretty lady to me.
Yep.
But anyway, excuse me, sir. I'm not flirting with your wife. Hey, this guy's a pretty big guy. You know, I don't want to get in the wrong side of that.
I saw he gave you a little bit of the stink eye.
Yeah, right. All right, Paul, so what do you got? Oh, Harvey Walker passed away this last Monday.
Harvey.
And we're going to do another song, and then we're going to try to think of some good Harvey Walker stories. I've known him forever, but I don't have anything that stands out that's like really exceptional. I played with him 100 times, and at Knott's Berry Farm, he was the entertainment director down there for a long time, and everybody knew him and loved him. He was a good player.
Yep.
Good guitar, good fiddle, good banjo. This guy could play.
Yes, sir.
And
When
go ahead.
When I started playing, you know, the country kind of music clubs and
Yeah.
stuff in the early 70s here in Southern California, I mean, Harvey was already a legend.
Oh.
You know,
Everybody.
everybody knew
respected
that
him.
if you wanted like good fiddle, like call Harvey.
Yeah, he was the guy. He was one of the main guys, absolutely. So he passed away. We sent out love out to his lovely wife, Casey, and the family, of course. And yeah, he's going to be missed.
I miss him.
Yeah, great guy. All right, so what do you got?
All right, well, this has nothing to do with that. This just happens to be a trucking song called 6 Days on the Road in the Key of A. Gentlemen, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, I pulled out of Pittsburgh, rolling down the eastern seaboard. I got my diesel wound up, but she's a-running like a never before. There's a speed zone ahead, all right. I don't see a cop in sight. 6 days on the road, and I'm gonna make it home tonight. I got 10 forward gears and a Georgia overdrive. I'm taking little white pills and my eyes are open wide. I just passed a Jimmy and White. I've been a passing everything in sight. 6 days on the road, I'm gonna make it home tonight. seems like months since I kissed my little baby bye-bye. I could have a lot of women, but I'm not like some other guy. I could find one to hold me tight. If I make believe it's alright. 6 days on the road, I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, the ICC been checking on down the line. I'm a little overweight and the logbook is way behind. But nothing bothers me tonight. I can dodge them scales all right. 6 days on the road, I'm gonna make it home tonight. All right, all right. Well, my rig's a little old, but that don't mean she's slow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a tray free from her stack, and the smoke is blowing black as coal. My hometown's coming in sight. You think I'm happy? You're right. 6 days on the road, and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road, I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road, I'm gonna see my baby tonight.
Six days on the road. You know, Sue and I just got back from our trip last week. We were on the road for over 3 weeks. We took the 40 all the way to North Carolina and stopped all along the way, different people. And then we went a little bit south and took the 10 back and stopped. We made a big loop, over 5,000 miles on the road. I saw more truckers. They're everywhere.
Yeah. But there's no ICC anymore.
No, there isn't. I don't even know what that is.
It was, I think it was the International Commerce Commission or something like
They
that.
get rid of that?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's gone.
Well, okay.
They-
But I saw a lot of big semis.
Yeah. They have to do. They have to
Yeah.
fill out their logbook.
Some of those guys are hard to get away from, you know, because they're going the
But-
same way you're going, and it's like you pass them.
Don't pass them on the right.
Well,
They hate that.
I know I don't do that. I pass them on the left. But then you think they're gone, and then all of a sudden they pass you, and I'm like, jeez, you know. And you feel
Yeah, the minute-
sometimes I'll just pull off just to get rid of.
No,
Well-
you'll go to the rest stop and get back in your car,
Yeah.
and you're right back where you were behind
Right.
them. That's 5 mile an
That's
hour
true.
for 2 hours.
But
But
we
you
had a
know,
lot of fun.
if you tangle with them, you're not going to do well.
Well, I'm not going to tangle with them.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I won't tangle with anybody.
You stay out of their way.
Knock 'em
Anyway,
out at the.
hey, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna
truck
get Rosanna up here. Susanna, Rosanna. Listen to me. I'm thinking of the TV show. Susanna Brown, come on up.
Yeah. Woo.
Do you mind sharing my?
Sure, absolutely. Yeah. That way.
So give us a song and a key, and here we go.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Carmine and Bob's Toyota and Carmine's Country Corner, guys.
This is Paul
Paul, nice to meet you.
That's Gary Swan.
Hey, Gary. John, nice to meet you. Awesome. Would it be, we want to do, sure, sure. What key did I say?
Dan, what key?
You said C?
C, is that a C or a backwards L?
You said C. I'm gonna go with C then. I hope C works. Do-do.
Short intro. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll check. Yes, who's got it? 1, 2, 3.
I go out walking after midnight. always walking after midnight searching for you. I went to see a weeping willow crying on his pillow. Maybe he's crying for me. And as the sky turns gloomy, night winds whisper to me, I'm lonesome as I can be. I go out walking after midnight, out in the moonlight, just like we used to do. I'm always walking after midnight, searching for you. I stopped to see a weeping willow crying on his pillow. Maybe he's crying for me. And as the sky turns gloomy, night winds whisper to me, I'm lonesome as I can be. I go out walking after midnight, out in the moonlight, just like we used to do. I'm always walking after midnight, searching for you. Woo! All right.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
I've been doing more stand-up comedy than singing recently, so yeah. Oh gosh. On the I do. I'm a stand-up comedian.
Hans Sardo, S-A-R-D-O. That's my nephew. He plays down at Clappers all the time.
Oh wow.
He's a comedian.
I gotta go see him.
Very funny guy.
All right, I'm sure I have.
Hans Sardo.
Wow.
Okay, what's this other song? By the way, you're very good.
Thank you.
It worked out perfect.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I was like, I think I can hear. Your cheating heart? You want to do your cheating heart? Let's see, Dan, what did we say? We said G, did we?
Is Dan your music director?
Oh, we said G because that's what, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's my.
Dan's talents just never stop. Well, what a minute. I love this. You guys are telling me how to play cheating hard? All right. One, two, one.
Your cheating heart will make you weep. You'll cry and cry and try to sleep, but sleep won't come the whole night through. Your cheating heart will tell on you when tears come down like falling rain. You'll toss around and call my name. You'll walk the floor the way I do, 'cause your cheating heart will tell on you.
You know, stay here a minute. You know, I love it when you give something a chance. You know, I meet her at my upholstery shop with a great husband. And she says, I can sing country music. And I say, well, come on up and sing. You know, you don't know what you're getting into when you do that. And you were great. So take a break, will you? Get you back in a few minutes, and we'll do another one. And thank you.
Carmine will just take the mic from you if you can't sing, right in the middle of the song.
As I will sometimes. That's right. If you can't sing, I just unplug it. God damn it. No, just kidding. We wouldn't do that. Harvey Walker. I worked with him a lot at Knott's Berry Farm. Not actually with him, I should say for him. I think he started working there somewhere around 1951 or 52. And he ended up, you know, he used to do the stunt work. He started out like doing stunt work, and then he worked on the train, played one of the robbers. And I think that's where he met his wife, Casey. She was working there. And that's a little bit of the history as I know it. And I just always knew him and loved him. Every time we saw each other, we got along great. We played together a million different places here and there. And, of course, with Johnny Blankenship, he was part of the loop. He and Harvey were a lot closer, you know. Me and Harvey were, you know, I mean, I knew him, but Johnny, those guys did a lot of work together. And you did quite a few gigs with him.
I did quite a few gigs with him. You know, no matter what he was doing at Knott's, he'd come out and play.
Yeah.
You know, he'd play the clubs at night.
Sure.
You know? He was a working, hard-working fiddle player.
Yeah, and that's not all. You
Yeah.
keep mentioning fiddle. You ever play guitar?
I have never heard of him.
Well, I'll tell you what. To Harvey Walker on guitar.
Harvey.
The man knew music. He played banjo, he played bass, he played guitar, and I don't know what else.
He was a great musician.
But I know his fiddle was superb. He was a good fiddle player. Harvey, we're gonna miss you and all the fun we had. Thank you for everything you gave to us. Swan, you want to follow that young lady? What are you, crazy?
I've been murdered before.
I know.
After a while, it's just one bullet after another.
That's right. You don't even feel the pain anymore. It's
Nah.
just like that.
We'll do a Vince Gill tune.
Okay.
Vince is in town, but we can't afford to go see him.
Well, they're down at the write-off room, right? They're doing a
Yeah.
big benefit, and Albert Lee's there, and Vince Gill, and I'm sure other greats.
Joe Bonamassa
And Joe, I love Joe. He's a good guy.
and a bunch of other guys, but
And yeah, they're gonna have fun down there tonight.
okay, here's a tune called One More Last Chance. Hey. You do that train thing. One, two, three, four. She was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in her left hand, rolling mint in her right. Said you come home for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. You better listen to my preaching.
Go down in the write-off room tonight, folks. You'll see Vince Gill live. He might even do that song, I bet. That's one of his big hits.
Well, I think that, and I won't say what I think, but I think when Joe Bonamassa is with Albert and Vince, a little out of the arena, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
They can't play no blues stuff around that country.
That's gonna be a great night.
He looks like Vince Gill from the back.
Stand back. Come out here, boys. This old smoke-filled bar, something I'm not used to. I just called my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here till closing time. I got swinging doors, jukebox, and a bar stool. And my new home has a flashing neon sign. Come by anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here till closing time. I got everything you need to drive me crazy. And I got everything I'll need to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here's just right for a heartache. Thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here till closing time. Thank you, folks. Coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota right up here in downtown Lockwood Center. And we have this fun new guest artist that we ran into, of all things, at my upholstery shop. Not even like at a nightclub or something to do with music. We were trying to fix their glove box on a beautiful BMW. a glove box where you put stuff. The little lid thing kept coming off, and so we have to try to get lucky and make it work. I think we got it. I hope. We'll know more later. But anyway, what time is it? Oh, Susanna, come on back up. Let's do one more, and then we'll go from there.
I'd like to give a shout out to Hammond Organ Company and
Absolutely.
Black Panther Systems for my stand.
Beautiful.
Everybody asks, where do I get one? Germany.
Okay.
We all go over there to get our
All you got to
stuff.
do is fly over to Germany and pick up the stand.
You
Fly
can,
it back.
you can get them on the internet. Black Panther Systems, best keyboard stands in the world. What can I say?
Okay. Anybody wants a keyboard
I
stand?
don't use junk.
That's the
folks.
place to do it. Okay, what are we doing this time? Yeah, what key? Dan, what key? I feel lucky.
Oh, peace and love to you too, bro.
Hey.
Hey, peace and love, man.
What key of D?
D?
Okay.
I don't know, he's doing the music school stuff.
But did you say B or?
What did he say?
Blah, blah, blah.
Well, I woke up this morning and stumbled out.
D.
You said D?
D, dog.
D is in.
Okay. Is that up there?
We're gonna come up with the key, something. We're gonna. Well, I woke up this morning, stumbled out of my rack. I flipped to the paper in the page in the back. It only took a minute for my fingers to find my daily dose of destiny under my sun. My eyes just about popped out of my head. It said, "Stars stacked against you, girl. Get back in bed." I feel lucky. I feel lucky. Yeah. No Professor Doom's gonna stand in my way. I feel lucky today. Well, I strolled down to the corner, gave my numbers to the clerk. The pot's 11 million, so I called in sick to work. I packed a box, a burrito, and a box. Called around the line, made a beeline for the park. The sky began to thunder, the wind began to moan. I heard a voice above me saying, "Girl, you better get back home." I feel lucky. Oh, I feel lucky. Yeah. No tropical depression's gonna steal my sun away. I feel lucky today. Well, 11 million later, I was sitting at the bar. I bought the house that doubled, the waitress a new car. Dwight Yoakam's in the corner, trying to meet my eye. Lyle Luck is right beside me with his hand upon my thigh. The moral of the story, it's simple but it's true. Hey, the stars might lie, but the numbers never do. I feel lucky. Whoa, I feel lucky. Yeah. No Professor Doom's gonna steal my sun away. I feel lucky today. I feel lucky. Whoa, I feel lucky. Yeah. No tropical depression's gonna steal my sun away. I feel lucky today. Woo! Thank you. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
You know what? You come back anytime. We'll have you back soon. We'll keep in touch. Thank you. Thank you so much. That was great. So there, you see?
I didn't know it.
I'm just trying to fix a
are
glove
going,
box.
Say, done there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's all I was trying to do. All right, Swan, what do you got?
All right.
We got about 10 minutes.
This is the tune by Johnny Rodriguez. I've been going old shoes over my left shoulder. I spent most all my life searching for four-leaf clover. If you would help me chase my rainbow. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. That's the way love goes, babe. That's the music God made for the whole wide world. See, it never gets old. It only grows. Music makes me sorry. You say, honey, don't worry. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. That's the way love goes, babe. That's the music God made for the whole wide world to see. Never gets old, it only grows. Music makes me sorry. You say, honey, don't worry. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. That's a pretty song.
You never know about that song. Anyway, great song. Good job.
I was playing it wrong for about 25 years, and then Paul corrected me, and all of a sudden it sounded right.
Well, good. Good for you.
It's just that one little chord.
It only took you 25 years?
One
Yeah.
little chord.
Yeah. So that's my problem. I haven't got it yet. Paul,
Apparently you don't need it.
I guess not. We're getting around it pretty good, I gotta tell you.
I got a request for Paul. Well, is Paul taking requests?
Yeah, what would it be?
Goodbye, Joe. We gotta go. Jambalaya.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'll entertain that and do something else.
Okay.
I love you very much.
I
but
love it.
We'll do a different song.
What are we gonna do? Great song. All right, folks, get ready.
Hey, we're gonna go around. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. be in this big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Gary. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone, knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Everybody there. So blow your whistle, freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
Now we got it. I always tell the guys, I say, let it ring, boys. Just hit that line chord and just let it go for as long as it'll go. Unless it's out of tune, then cut it off real quick. So, anyway, tricks of the trade. I'm just standing there, everybody's looking at me. I don't know what to say next. Hey, you know what? Oh, it's not dark. The overheads are on. Kim, could you give me a water, please? Paul.
Yes.
Say anything you want for about 30 seconds.
Oh, really? That's a pretty short song.
I didn't say sing, I said say.
I got water.
I know, well, you thought ahead, I didn't.
Now Carmen does too.
I always forget to bring my water with me, and all these guys got water, and I'm looking around thinking, she's, excuse me a minute.
You know, we do this every week, don't we, Carmen?
Well,
We do.
we have for the last almost a half years, four and a half years we've been doing it.
You can come on the stage.
Okay, that's it. She's an official band member. She's throwing water at the musicians. That makes her official.
See, that's what happened. That's why he never made the Dodgers.
Yeah.
Couldn't catch a bunt. Hey,
Thank you for that, Susanna.
okay.
I'm going to do another song. Just
How about
'cause
this?
Why not? And then that'll probably bring us pretty close to the end of this thing.
Carmine Sardo, ladies and gentlemen, is going
Yeah,
to sing his
thanks.
song.
I got to tell you something. These guys are here every week, and believe me, it's more for the love of playing the music and just getting out in front of people and just having fun than anything else. Because these guys come up every week, and I'm amazed that you show up, and I'm glad you're here. All of you.
We
I love
don't
you.
know.
I love you.
I can be seen on my couch later.
I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Play it, Gary. Now my daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. And I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away, 'cause there ain't no money in it. It'll lead you to an early grave. So I guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned picking out the lovesick blues. Now when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton
Nice job, Carmen, on a song
Thank
I
you.
love.
Good story song about a guitar player.
And you got all the words. You know, I
did
did it
it.
a hair slower than usual, and I think
know.
that's a good tempo for
It felt better. I wasn't
Yeah,
rushing.
It gives you time to think about.
Yeah, I never know.
I mean, it's
You
a
know-
long story, you know.
You know, yeah, it is. And you know, when you do this show and you're thinking all these things, you get up. I'll have a tendency to, if I am going to sing a song, I push it off a little faster than slower, because if I get down in the ditch, oh, it gets ugly. Then it really ain't going to happen. So I always kind of push it a little. It keeps me.
That was a good tempo. For
Yeah,
that
yeah,
song. I
that
like
seemed to
that.
work okay. All right, we'll try to remember that, folks. Next time I do that song, I'll try to hold it right there. Okay, Paul, we have 4 minutes and you're closing the show. So I want to thank you all for watching. Susanna, thank you so much for coming up and making us look good. And you sing great, and you'll be back. We will have some fun. And thank you again. And thank you. I keep forgetting your name. What's your name? Rick. Rick. Sorry, Rick. But
We don't care, Rick.
these are good
We don't
people.
care.
Well,
Did Rick bring Susanna?
Susanna, yes, no Rick.
Did Rick bring Susanna? Is that the deal? All right, well, do it some more.
yeah. All right, what do you got, Paul?
Hey,
Good night,
here's
folks.
one. Here's one for Gary Swan.
Yeehaw.
Jambalaya,
let's go.
In what key?
Goodbye, Joe. Me gotta go, me on my own. Me gotta go, pull the pillow down the bio. My Yvonne, sweetest one, me on my own. So good, gonna hand it from on the bio. Yeah, jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. For tonight I'm gonna see Mama Sharon Neal. Big guitar, filthy jar, and the gale. So good, gonna have it fun on the bio. Yeah! Thibodeau, Fontenot, the place is buzzing. Kinfolk come see Yvonne by the dozen. Dressed in style, go hog wild, stay on my own. Son of a gun, gonna have it fun on the bayou. Yeah, jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. For tonight I'm gonna see Mama Chesney. Big guitar, filthy jar, and the gale. So I'm gonna have me fun on the bayou.
Mama said to the potato, plant you now, dig you later.